What's up, Speed Nation? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all you guys for stopping and clicking on the video and supporting my videos. So I changed my mind. You read the title. I'm on my way to the muffler shop right now. Mid muffler delete. This time I'm doing the mid muffler delete, but I'm replacing it with the race cans. I'm not using Dyno this time. I'm going to try a different brand. But when you do a mid muffler delete and you straight pipe, the Hellcats, the 392s, the scat packs, they sound really raspy and you get drone. And in order to eliminate the drone, you go with the race cans. Last time I went with Dyno, you can check that video. This time I'm going with the different company. It's called Vibrant. So I'm replacing the mid mufflers or the resonators with the Vibrant resonators, race cans, and it should sound more aggressive, not raspy, and no drone. So let's do the unboxing right now. Here we are right here. Bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand, so. Here they are right here, Vibrant Performance. That's what it looks like. Part number, I don't know if the camera's picking up, is 1794. The inlet and outlet is 3 inches, and the resonator is 4 inches round. I'll go ahead and open it up so you can see what it looks like real quick. So if you want to get yours, you want to do it the right way, instead of having your stuff sound terrible. You'll put these on. I'm not going to completely take it out, but that's what it looks like right there. Okay, so I will do a before and I will do an after sound clip. Keep in mind, you have to break these in just like any other, part you put on the vehicle. And when you first put them on, they're not as loud. Just like the video I did last year, when I did my mid muffler delete and I put the Dyno on, there wasn't much of a difference from what I can tell with the camera microphone. But there was a difference. It was a huge difference. It was a clean sound, way more aggressive. And as it broke in within like 2 weeks, it got even louder. So you really don't pick up a big difference in the beginning. But it is a difference, but you really, as the system breaks in, that's when you're really gonna notice the difference. And then the sound, the exhaust note is much cleaner. There's no raspiness and there's no drone, or very little drone. That's the benefits to it. So stay tuned, I'm headed to the muffler shop right now. Alright, Speed Nation, so I'm about to give you the before exhaust note real quick. So stay tuned. Alright, so there you have it. That's the before sound clip. Alright, now it's time to head to the muffler shop. Stay tuned, y'all. What's up, Speed Nation? I'm here at the spot, y'all. A&B Muffler, the same location I was here before. Why did I come to the same place? This is where everybody come get their stuff done at, right here. So, I was looking for a place closer to where I stay at, but I'd rather get my stuff done by a person that knows how to do it and do it all the time. So that's why I'm back at A&B Muffler. Customer duels, right? You see the Hellcat Redeye. Next to go in, so we're about to get it done, right? Hopefully it sounds the way I want it to sound. So we're gonna see what it is. Those just in case. Alright, Speed Nation, is it done? It's a wrap. No drone, no raspy sound. Right now, still got to break in. So, you know, but I already noticed the difference. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. Dreamgiveaway.com. Check it out, y'all. I always got to mention that. 2 Hellcats, you can win them, right? Donation of $25 or more will get you double tickets, double your chances of winning. So make sure you do that. Make sure you check out the link. I'm gonna put it in the description below, and I'm also gonna flash it across the screen throughout the whole video. Dreamgiveaway.com. Win those Hellcats, right? Give it a shot. You got a better chance of winning these Hellcats than winning the lottery, and that's real talk. So this needs the speed. Thanks for clicking on the video. Once again, I appreciate your support. See you on the next one. explanation. So there you have it. I hope you can tell the difference. I can. So don't forget, get your tickets. dreamgiveaway.com. Click the link in the description or the link that's on the screen, and use my code Need to Speed to get double tickets with a minimum of $25 or more. So peace.